Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert background picture in publisher document just one page. So get ready started. At first open your publisher document. Now you can see insert picture background just one page. Now select from a second page option. Now going to the page design option. Now click for a page background option. Now select from more background. Now click for picture or texture field. Now select, then click for a file option. Now find your picture. Then select from picture, then click for insert option. Now click for OK. There it is. Now you can see insert background picture in publisher document just one page. That it is. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.